Good day. I'm here now for my daily content. Our assignment for today's installing the Sanipa. I don't know what is the English, and please comment below what is the English of this Sanipa. Would you give me the English for this? And we're almost done. Okay. We're almost done in disabling the trusses, and going further we are waiting the ordering roof. And next assignment is the roof, so there we go. All of this installing wood cement or gips. I don't know what is we call for this. We install it. Please comment, and you can take the you can say the right term of these materials and help me to familiar these materials that we installed. And we are going home. We're done for the whole day, and it's a good day. It's a beautiful sun. It's not rain. And the next assignments for roofing the ceiling and plastering. The other fellowship in working is go home, and I got to upload before I go home. Not done yet. We not yet finished to accomplish and complete the process. We can't finish it yet. Kinaraduan nyo na ako. Keep close to oh, galing eh. Go. I'm going home. playing basketball.
Ay, nawala. Kayo, pre.
Let's see. I'm so dirty in my work. Again. I have to get more practice to speak English so that I can speak clearly. Okay. I have to say bye bye.